For all you Chrysler lovers out there, this happens to be one of our 408 stroker Chrysler. Start out with a 360 block Magnum. This happens to be a roller cam. A lot of you guys build these Chryslers, they want to give you the flat tapping cam with flat tapping lifters in here, which will only wear out on you. You get what you pay for. That's what the whole game is. When you buy quality, you get quality. There's a roller cam. It's got the Edelbrock heads. Got a full forged rotating assembly on here. It's got a full bolt march system. Beautiful chrome, aluminum valve covers from Edelbrock. Holley carburetor and MSD distributor. Hey, one of the great things is if you want to go EFI, we can hook you up with an EFI system real nice, set it up, and you'll have them beautiful, easy starts. Some people like the carburetor still, and we're happy to build them and tune them for them. Again, check this one out. It made 570 foot-pounds of torque and about 530 horsepower. Check it out. If you're looking at calls, give us a call. 1-800-267-3940. Peace. Where we at, man?
529 horsepower.
529 at 5,700 RPM.
And 570 torque at 42.
And 570 foot-pounds of torque at 4,200 RPM. Man, Darius, there you go. Beautiful motor.